Want to read your book to me?
Mom, you're not reading my book.
I'm not reading your book?
Mom, you're not reading my book.
Okay, you read it.
So, reading my book.
Okay, you read it. Tell me the story.
Okay. Mommy, I'm reading your story.
Okay.
One kitty cat. Mommy, you're not reading my story.
I'm listening to your story.
So, listen my story.
I am.
One kitty cat.
What else?
One kitty cat.
What else? You're going to tell me something else about the story?
Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.